DJI is all set to launch its new Lito series on April 23rd, making it the first consumer drone release of the year. The company officially confirmed the launch via teasers with the event scheduled for 8 a.m. China time, 12 p.m. GMT. Unlike the typical upgrade, the Lito lineup appears to introduce a new category. The series is expected to have two models, Lito 1 and X1. The X1 is likely to be the successor to the Mini 5 Pro, aimed at users who want better imaging and smarter features. The Lito 1 will replace entry-level models like Mini 4K and Mini 3. Leaked pricing suggests aggressive positioning across markets. The Lito 1 is expected to start at €339 or $370 to $400, while its Flymore combo could add €479, $520 to $560. The more advanced X1 will begin at €419, $450 to $500, going up to €759, $800 to $900 for the Flymore combo bundle plus RC2 controller. Connectivity is the major highlight. The Litos may feature DJI's next generation O5 transmission system with a range of over 20 kilometers. There's also reports of possible 5G cellular support using software-defined radio technology, which could improve signal features. Safety features could get a big upgrade. Both models are rumored to include 360-degree obstacle avoidance using combination of fisheye camera, infrared, and LiDAR technology with detection up to 10 meters. DJI is expected to introduce smarter controllers. Features like voice command, gesture-based operations may allow for more hands-free flying experience. In terms of design, both drones are expected to weigh under 249 grams, feature foldable bodies with 3-axis gimbal. The Lito one will have around 22 GB of storage and up to 30 minutes flight time, while the X1 will have 42 GB of storage and more advanced sensing system. Some details, including camera specifications, video capabilities, are not known. The Lito series could reshape DJI's entry-level lineup, potentially replacing older models while offering a better balance of features and price. DJI also teased another model launching on April 20th, which is likely to be a wireless microphone system.